food, isn't it? Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Hello. Thanks so much for joining me on my video. This is another oil painting of the lovely Courtney Love. This is a great photo of her. My Evie was sick. She had a bug, so we were up at ridiculous o'clock in the morning. A little lamb. So I thought I'd just walk you through what I did with the oils with this one. I started off with linseed oil, as you can see on the side, there it is. It's really good. It's a really good medium for actually thinning the oil paint so that I could just put a base coat on. My base coat was a magenta pink. It's not very strong, as you can see there. Doing a bit on my website, building my website so that I can start selling my lovely paintings, and just writing. I really want to get into writing again. There's my little Evie Poo's feeling better with her big eyes. God, she's adorable. I went in with a yellow paint for the hair. It's really difficult with blonde people to distinguish what colours you should use, but yellow seemed to be a good match with purple. The lips were so hard to do, but I think they turned out okay. There'll be another video that I'm going to do with kind of like a tutorial for doing lips and painting, so that's coming soon. Thank you so much for watching.